Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Slack as a beginner. After downloading the Slack app or opening it in your browser, sign into your workspace using the invite link or your company email. The main screen is divided into channels on the left where groups chat by topic or team, and direct messages for private conversations. To send a message, just pick a channel, type in the box, and hit send. You can also tag teammates with @names or use threads to reply to specific messages and keep things organized. At the top, the search bar helps you quickly find past messages or files. You can upload documents, images, or links directly into a chat and even integrate tools like Google Drive or Zoom. Notifications can be customized so you don't get overwhelmed, and you can access Slack from your phone or desktop. Everything syncs in real time. And that's how you get started with Slack as a beginner. Thanks for watching.